Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Gigabyte GV-N1630OC-4GL graphics card. So friend, the GV-N1630OC-4GL GeForce GTX 1630 graphics card from Gigabyte comes with a low profile bracket, and friend, the cooler is an unique two-fan cooler that combines Gigabyte custom designed fans and high quality components like low RTS, MOSFET, metal choke and lower ESR Solid Capacitor that are ultra durable to compliant. And friend, the card length is reduced to 166.9 mm, which is about same as Mini-ITX motherboard, and making it excellent for upgrading tiny desktop PC with compact housing. And friend, the major specification include 512 CUDA cores, a core frequency of 1800 MHz, a memory speed of 12 Gbps, a memory base width of 64 bits, and 4 GB of GDDR6 visual memory. And friend, DisplayPort 1.4:1, HDMI 2.0p/2, DVI-D/1 at the output interfaces. And friend, the bus interface is PCI Express 3.0/16. There is no auxiliary power connection, and the exterior dimensions are 166.9 mm long, 69 mm wide, and 39 mm thick. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.